Yes, students. Good afternoon, all. Today we are going to learn particularly is about Twitter marketing, under which we have learned how to build content strategy under Twitter marketing. So last time we have learned about the best practices we are required to do so far as we can get the advantage of building advantage of Twitter marketing. Now today we are going to discuss about the Twitter calendar. So marketers make use of their calendar very well by scheduling post day-wise. Here is a glimpse of day-wise post by some Twitter handles. So we just see here that how marketers can able to handle the day-wise ad with the use of Twitter marketing as a what you can say digital marketing platform particularly. So here first is Monday promotions. So here we see that Monday promotion, it means what particular through which we can build follower loyalty by offering a special discount or an exclusive sale that can be redeemed using a special coupon code as shown in figure 7.15. So you see in the figure in this figure that through which we can build a followers loyalty by offering them special discount. Shop and win like this. So be the biggest shopper at Umart. This is Umart. This is the what we can say ad given by Umart and win an iPad, a Moto GM or and more like this. So shop and win. So this is what one kind of promotion ad we can select as per the day. Here particularly Monday for promotions. Then second Tuesday behind the scenes. So such type of ad is particularly given under the situation that tweet a photo or video that showcases the brand's operations and the works in progress. For instance, an artist who is creating new music can provide a glimpse into their creative process as shown in figure 7.16. So how you just see over here that how an artist can show by creating uh, a glimpse particularly you can say one of dozens of steps that go into every iPad case. So by this way we can able to view our ad related to the behind the scenes. Then Wednesday, helpful tips. Helpful tips means create a regular series of tweets that are informative and helpful for the readers. A chef can tweet new recipes or cooking tips. If one has a boutique if one has a fashion boutique, then they can tweet fashion trends as shown in figure 7.17. So regular consumption of carrots reduces cholesterol levels and prevents heart disease. So this is given by UMAT. So by this way we can able to give ad under Twitter related to the helpful tips. The next Thursday particularly customer spotlight. Some highlight a positive review to show to the customers how much the company appreciates them and respond to their questions. Make sure that in the tweets there is a mention of the username of the customer as shown in figure 7.18. So you just see there then the username is there Astha Chain 22 like this. So this is what that we appreciate to our customers for their feedback, for their response, for their questions, and we can accordingly reply them. So this is what customer spotlight. The next Friday, feature industry experts of news. Use hashtag double F means follow Friday to encourage the followers to learn more from industry influencers, or one can tweet or retweet content from them that is relevant to their business as shown in figure 7.19. So feature industry experts or news. So we can provide latest information with these features, and by this way we can able to provide ad like feature industry experts or news. Then Saturday, community or industry spotlights. Appeal to the followers to support the charities, community events, fundraising events the brand is associated with as shown in figure 7.20. Here we see that our target is to reach to $80,000. We already reached to about $62,000 to $65,000. So we appeal to our followers for charity or any community events like this. Next is Sunday, focus on your people. So highlight the people who work behind the scenes at the company by tweeting photos of them. Our followers would be happy to know the humans behind the brands as shown in figure 7.21. So here we are required to highlight the our employees or particularly the major what we can say uh, persons who are working in our company behind the scenes, in the sense that customers do not know about that, and they are working very well in our organization because of them they can get the better products. So how to start a content marketing campaign with no money? So this is one of the what we can say ad which we can able to provide with the use of Twitter marketing. Then Twitter ads. So Twitter has over 313 million monthly active users worldwide as per record 2016. So Twitter ads can help businesses to reach their right audience across the globe with different ad targeting options. It has many campaign types. Business must pick the right campaign to align with their strategy and goals. So as per our goals and strategy, we can able to target our what we can say right followers or right or accordingly we are targeting the right options and to provide the right advertisement to the related followers. So campaign types includes website clicks campaign, then followers campaigns, engagement campaigns, then app campaigns and quick promote campaigns. So let us discuss one by one. First, website click campaigns. This type of campaign is used to increase the website's traffic. So particular the purpose behind particular such type of advertisement is to increase website traffic or to generate leads or increase sales. So if our object is any one, either to increase the website traffic or to generate leads or to generate sales, then such type of advertisements is works better. The tweet in the campaign is called a website card. The such type of tweet is called website card. It has a preview image and related content as shown in figure 7.34. In this particular figure you can see that preview page and the related content. You might avail discounts buy now. So these cards will be visible in the timeline and search results. A clear call to action in the card should be set up to help the viewer to know more details. So this is what all about the website clicks campaign. The next is follower campaigns. So one should use this campaign to increase their followers count on Twitter. So if we want to increase our followers count, then we are required to use the type of campaigns. 85 percentage of the customers and users say that they feel more connected to a brand after following it on Twitter. तो ट्विटर के थ्रू जब वो किसी ब्रांड को फॉलो करते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड अपने आप को समझते हैं उस ब्रांड के साथ. Then followers are more likely to become loyal customers, and followers will be loyal customers of brand. According to Compete, 17 means according to particular what we can say report provided by a particular report provider, Compete. 72% of Twitter users say that they are more likely to purchase from a brand they follow on Twitter. तो ट्विटर के थ्रू फॉलो करने के बाद वो ब्रांड के हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट परचेज करने को ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. When a brand creates a follower campaign, they should provide a compelling reasons for the target audience to follow them. So whenever any brand can use particularly this type of campaign, then they are required to provide the compelling means appealing image. For example, one can give them some discounts or provide them exclusive details about the product launch, etc. The promoted accounts appear in the timeline or the who to follow widgets on the Twitter. Here we see the who to follow. Advertisers pay only when somebody follows their account. So if such type of ad is provided with the use of Twitter marketing, then advertiser has to pay only when someone follows it. Then next is engagement campaign. Individuals or brands use this campaign when they want their followers to retweet more, increase favorites, and use mentions. So particularly such type of engagement, campaigns is used by brands or what we can say individuals to expect from the viewers, particularly retweet more or increase favorites, or they can use the mentions like this. So it will also play a pivotal role in the building brand awareness by creating a buzz. So by creating the buzz marketing, we can able to build a brand awareness. So for the purpose of creating the brand awareness also, we can use such type of campaign, means engagement campaigns. This campaign lets the brands to promote their tweets to a larger targeted group of people. So this tweet will be clearly labeled as promoted and will appear in timelines, on profile pages, and in search results. So this is called the promoted tweets campaign, where one pays only when someone engages. So here particularly advertisers or brand has to only pay when someone engages in any way like favorites or retweets or replies with them. So only one promoted tweet appears in a user's timeline at a time. So we just see that in figure 7 point, particularly 7.35 here particularly. In 7.36 we see the advertisements which is related to what we can say engagement campaign. And as it is said that it is highlighted as promoted tweet. So it is, we see over here promoted tweets. So give your project a boost with a 3300 trial credit. Boost your next project with a credit towards Google Cloud Platform. So this is the ad which is provided by the Google, which is related to the engagement campaign. And that is why here it is that how it is retweeted, how it is liked is shown over here. The next is app campaigns. So the name of the campaign itself suggests that this is to be used when one wants to increase their app downloads or encourage people to re-engage with their app. So particularly, as the name suggests, app campaigns, it means that if any advertisement that uh, compel or that is particularly appeal for the installing app, or particularly we can say by the use of app they can re-engage with the brand. So around 80% of the Twitter users use the Twitter via mobile. So from the what we can say total users of Twitter, 80% use the Twitter via mobile. It is easier for the mobile users to navigate from their Twitter's app to the other app. So users can also um, able to or easily navigate from the Twitter app to the other apps, and it also decreases the cost. Promoted tweets with app card will be used in this type of campaign. So these cards will allow users to open and download the mobile app directly from the tweets, and tweets will appear only on mobile users timeline. So as is you are here, app image is there, and by clicking on that anyone can um, download that particular app of those company who have providing the ads under Twitter marketing. And by using particularly Twitter for the purpose of appealing the followers or users to download our app, we can able to achieve 83% lower cost per install than that of other media if we use ट्विटर ने बदले ट्विटर के अलावा अगर हम दूसरे कोई मीडिया यूज़ करते हैं जिसके थ्रू मीन्स दूसरा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं कि जिसके थ्रू हमारी ऐप हो वो डाउनलोड करे, तो उसकी कंपेयर में हमें ट्विटर में कॉस्ट है वो 83% कम पड़ता है. So this is also one of the best ad campaign. Generally any what we can say advertisers wish to go through with the use of Twitter. The next is quick promote. This campaign should be used when a brand wants to promote a tweet quickly. The quick word refers to the number of steps when compared with other campaign types. So one can begin to their analysis page and click on view tweet activity. So it will enable to the promotion of that particular tweet in few easy steps. So quick promote campaigns are used when one wants to see a high engagement rate for a tweet or an event when they are live tweeting. So quick promote is particularly used for event which are live and we would like to tweet it, and also to get the high engagement from the followers. So this is what all about the different types of ad under Twitter marketing. These are the Twitter ads. The next is targeting audience option. These are the different targeting audience options. So there are several types of targeting defined by the Twitter to find the exact matching needs of advertisers. So as per our needs, we can able to target audience accordingly with the following different options. So they are as follows. First one is language targeting. So when accounts are registered, to determine a user's language, Twitter asks for their language in their profile setting, and that data is used for ads that have language targeting. So as per the what we can say, as per the users of Twitter who input the language by asking Twitter for particularly opening account under Twitter. So this particular data is used as per the language which is selected by the advertiser. Then next is gender targeting. Twitter determines the user's gender by their behavior, means tweets, shares, etc. along with their usernames and accounts they follow. ट्विटर को कैसे पता चलता है यूजर्स के जेंडर के हिसाब से, तो क्या जो उसका यूजर नेम है उस जो अकाउंट्स को फॉलो करते हैं उसके हिसाब से, साथ साथ में वो उसका बिहेवियर क्या है, हाउ दे ट्वीट्स, व्हाट दे सेस, उसके हिसाब से. So for example here particularly fashion brand for women would target only females by selecting female in their targeted audience. So accordingly we can able to target our what we can say users of Twitter for our what we can say prospective customers, or what we can say for our target group, particularly target customers, as per the products which we are providing for the particular type of gender. Like if our product is for male, then accordingly we can target, and if our product is for female, then accordingly we can target them. So then next targeting audience option is interest targeting. So Twitter has a broad classifications of interest based categories like auto, business, dining, finance, lifestyle, then retail, sports technology, travel, and more. So one can select their target audience if they fit into any of the predefined categories. So जो भी predefined categories है उसमें से fit होता है तो we can target accordingly our audience. Or one once the broader category is selected, once we have selected this broader category, then brands will be promoted to select more specific categories under the main category, and finally Twitter will display the potential audience size for the same. So from the broad category we can move to the specific category, and accordingly any brand, any company can able to access to their potential audience with the use of Twitter. So Twitter will display the potential audience size for the same. Then our next targeting audience option is follower targeting. Follower targeting helps in getting connected with the people who are the brand's prospective customers. This method works by displaying the brand's Twitter ads to users who are the followers of the users' names they select. One can leverage this targeting to get more focused or niche followers. So it will also be helpful if one wants to attract the competitors followers base. तो हम हमारे followers का base के हिसाब से तो target कर सकते हैं, और वो जो follower है उसके हिसाब से भी हम उस followers के follower कह सकते हैं हम, तो उसको भी target कर सकते हैं. But not only that, we can also able to target our competitors followers base. So brands can target usernames who sell comparable products or services to them. So we can target such type of products or services provided by our competitors, which type of we are providing. So accordingly we can target to our competitors followers base. So it is also one of the best technique to one of the best option to target our targeting audience. You just see, or also target your followers, also target users like your followers. The next is device targeting. Device targeting is useful if the product is operational or limited devices on limited devices, or the audience primarily uses a type of device or operating system. So we can target on the basis of device, particularly we can target the audience on the basis of device when the product is operational or limited of operational on limited devices. It means that if our product is only applicable to the limited devices, or particularly audience can use any particular type of device. So there may be cases when one just wants to display their campaigns to desktop users or tablet users. कभी कभार ऐसा भी होता है कि ब्रांड से या तो सिर्फ डेस्कटॉप यूजर्स को शो करना चाहते हैं एड्स, और tablet users. So accordingly we can target. So this type of audience targeting can help to target based on operating systems such as iOS or Android. Brands can even target audience based on their mobile operators. हम brands है वो mobile operators के हिसाब से भी target कर सकते हैं. So we just see over here that on the basis of iOS devices or Android devices, or for both particularly, or for particular mobile devices, for say for example BlackBerry and tablets, or we can say desktop and laptop computers, or other mobile like this. So on the basis of the device we can able to target the audience. Then next is behavior targeting. Brands can target users who are most likely to consider or buy a brand based on their online and offline activities. Twitter has also partnered with analytics companies such as Axiom and Oracle Datalogics to help brands draw insights from users' online behavior as on in figure 7.40. So we just see over that how Google is make it applicable for their users, that they can able to target as per the behaviors of the people, behaviors of the users particularly, and company can target accordingly the audience to show their ads. So these audiences from the Twitter partners are based on actual online and offline behaviors and characteristics. Users will be eligible for targeting if they fit with any of the behaviors you select. So as per the companies or brand selection about the behavior, if it is related to the data available with the Google, then automatically this particular peoples are targeted, or this particular audience group is targeted. The next is tailored audience targeting. This type of targeted audience is used when one wants to target groups of existing or potential customers and remarket to them on the Twitter platform. In this type of campaign, brands can use the customers data like emails, mobile numbers, offers page or websites, etc. So they can directly upload their list of mails, their IDs or mobile advertisement IDs. So this particularly brands can also use a code snippet on their website or in a tag manager to collect cookies IDs of visitors, then purchasers or downloaders who can also be targeted. So as the name suggests, tailored audience targeting means as per the purchasers, as per the downloaders, as per the what we can say uh, the visitors who have particular type of cookies, and we can target to them. So uh, this is also called remarketing because we are at present targeting only to the potential customers or our existing customers also. Then next targeting option is keyword targeting. Brands can target audience based on the keywords on their timeline or tweets they recently engaged with. One is able to search and target a Twitter user who is searching for a keyword. For each keyword, one can select what type of keyword matching will suit their campaign, such as broad match, phrase match, or exact match, as shown in figure 7.42. So, suppose our particular we can say keyword is here startup. Then whether specific startup keyword is there, then only it is reached to search audience. Means we are targeting to search audience who are searching for the startup keyword, or if they are searching for startup keyword with any phrase or any sentence like this. So broad match means any word of the different words used in the keyword, or phrase match particularly exactly the same phrase in which particular keyword is there, or exact the same keyword like this. So accordingly we can target the audience on the basis of keyword targeting. The next is geography targeting. One can select country, states, regions, metro areas or postal codes to limit our audience. So on the basis of geography also we can able to target. So this is what all about the targeting options, targeting audience options available under Twitter. Before that we have discussed about the Twitter ads also. So these are the Twitter ads. Website clicks campaign, different types under the Twitter ads. First one is website clicks campaigns, second is follower campaign, third is engagement campaigns, fourth is app campaigns, and fifth is quick promote. And so far as the targeting audience options are concerned, we have gone through it. I think you have got clear concept about this. Thank you all.